Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Win. Have you ever been confused about whether to call someone Mr., Mrs., or Ms.? Or maybe you were unsure how to address your boss versus a new friend? Today we are going to cover everything you need to know about English titles, naming structures, and how to address people politely without making mistakes. Let's dive in. In English, names are usually divided into two main parts, first name and last name. Here we have a name, Jensen Ackers. So first name is Jensen and last name is Ackers. First name is also known as your given name or Christian name. And last name is also called your surname or family name. How you address someone depends on the context. Use a formal style with a title and last name for business or strangers. For example, hello, Mr. Ackers. For friends and family, an informal style using just their first name is appropriate. For example, hi, Jensen. Now, let's look at common titles. Mr. is used for men, regardless of marital status. Mrs. is for married women. Miss is used for unmarried women. And Ms. is a neutral professional option for any woman. If you don't know a person's name, you can use polite titles such as sir or ma'am. Sir is used for men and ma'am is used for women. And Miss is often used for young women. These titles are frequently used in hospitality and customer service. Regarding marriage, in many English-speaking cultures, it is common for women to take their husband's last name. For example, Danny Harris becomes Danny Ackers after marriage because she took her husband's last name. To summarize, use formal address with titles for business, first names for social settings, and sir or ma'am when the person's name is unknown. Thanks for watching. Bye.